Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stream in OBS Studio application. Okay, here I have already opened the OBS Studio application. And first of all guys, you need to set the sources here. You need to add audio, video, or maybe display screen. It's up to you. But the most important is the audio. You can click on this plus icon and then you can select the audio input capture and also the audio output capture. Okay. So your audio will be recorded like this. Alright, and then I'm going to add my display capture. Okay, I'm going to share my screen to the audience. So I'm going to click on OK for the display capture. And now my screen is being displayed. And here is the way to stream using OBS. You can go to the setting, okay, on the bottom right, and then you're going to choose stream here. And you can choose the platform that you want to stream. You can choose Twitch, Facebook, or Twitter, or it's up to you. And I'm going to select Facebook Live. And for the server, I'm going to choose default, and you can get the stream key. And you need to connect your Facebook account to the OBS Studio. And after that, you will get the stream key. And after that, you just need to click on apply. And the stream will be started. Okay guys, and that's all the way to stream in OBS Studio. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!